Welcome to Sandwiches of History. Today from Williams Sandwich Recipes of 1974, we're going to be making the Chicken Soufflé Sandwich. This was sent in to Williams by Alice Salzburg Putnam of Oak Ridge back in 1974, and it's a bit of a process. In fact, we got to do a little time travel and go back to yesterday. Hey, pass Barry. Thanks, Barry from the future. Let's get cracking. So to diced chicken, we add mayonnaise, green bell pepper, onion, celery, and we mix this all together. Then into a greased baking dish, we put a piece of bread and our filling. And we top that with another piece of bread. Then on top of that, we pour a mixture of milk and beaten egg. Then into the fridge overnight. Okay, it's the next day and it has soaked up almost all of the milk and egg mixture, which is pretty remarkable. Now we're to spread it with cream and mushroom soup. Top that with grated cheese. I'm using Parmesan. And a little bit of paprika. Then into a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes. Seriously. Well, it certainly did puff up a little bit like a souffle, but right now I'm going to wait until it's not the temperature of red-hot magma. This is definitely a knife and fork situation. It's a very soggy sandwich. But hey, let's give this chicken souffle sandwich a go. So hot. Flavor-wise, that's pretty good. You've got all those savory elements, almost like a stuffing, with chicken and the mushroom soup and the Parmesan cheese on top. That is pretty tasty, actually. That said, I think we can plus this up a little. I'm going to put on a little bit of chicken seasoning. This is a blend of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt, and I think it's going to go really well. Okay, let's give this plussed up chicken souffle sandwich a go. That's nice. Those seasonings, the garlic powder, the onion powder, salt, pepper, just serving to season everything in there, the chicken, the bell pepper, the onion, mushroom soup, and the cheese. So the original chicken souffle sandwich was pretty tasty, but the process was such a pain, I'm going to knock it down a point. So I'm going to give it a 6.5. I would have gotten a 7.5. With the chicken seasoning blend, adding a depth of flavor to it, I'm going to bump that up to a 7.5, which means it probably would have been about an 8. It is tasty. I am going to finish it. I'm never going to make this again because who wants to wait 1 hour and 15 minutes for a sandwich? Come on. All right. See you tomorrow.